Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to use ClickUp Sprints. So after you've logged in into your ClickUp account, you're going to click on your workspace name over here at the top left corner. Then you're going to click on Settings. Then from here at the left side bar, you want to locate Spaces. Then you want to select the space that you want to add a sprint. And over at Click Apps, you will see the sprint icon, which is the second one. So you want to click on it. And then you want to turn on the Click Apps. Then over here at Sprint, click on Default Settings. Then it will redirect you to a new tab. Then in the search bar, you want to search for Sprint. And you want to make sure that both of those options are turned on. And you want to make sure that it is enabled for the space that you are trying to add a sprint. And as you can see from this sprint, I only have it enabled for one space. So I have to enable it for this space because this is where I want to add the sprint. And after you've done that, just close the tab. Now we can go back to the home page. Then I'm going to click on this space. Then if I click on the plus icon over here, as you can see, we already have this sprint folder over here. So just click on it. Then you're going to create a name for your sprint, and then you're going to adjust the settings. And after that, just click on Next and change the settings for this page as well. Then just click on Create. And after you've created your sprint folder, you're going to open up a list from your space. Then if you click on the plus icon over here, and in the fields, you can search for sprint. Then you want to turn on sprints and sprint points. Then close that window. Then if I click on add to sprint over here, as you can see, I can add it to a sprint folder over here. And that's it. Thanks for watching.